Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Lisa Bug Fitness and Yoga. I have another update for you at 6.5 months post-op. And this one has a little bit of good news. I think I finally had a little bit of a mini breakthrough in my recovery, which has been, well, to say the least, it's been a little tough. The last 3 months I have been fighting pain around my kneecap or underneath my kneecap when I walk. With every step that I take, I get a pinching, sometimes a stabbing pain. I have been working on this, and I had contacted my physical therapist in Minneapolis, and we were looking at it as perhaps two different things, either patellar fat pad syndrome or patellar tendonitis. And I've been trying some exercises for that. It had not been working. So about a month ago, I reached out to a physical therapist here in Oviedo and started seeing Dr. Drew. And he said, I think this is a mechanical issue rather than a tendonitis issue. So what we have figured out after the last 4 weeks of working together is I have something that is sometimes referred to as quad lag or quad extension lag. And what that means is that I can straighten my leg completely out to zero extension when I'm sitting passively. Sitting on the ground, my leg is completely straight. No issue whatsoever with range of motion. But when I sit in a chair and try to straighten my leg actively, I can't straighten it all the way. I don't have the strength to do that and get to zero. I'm lacking about 10 degrees of extension. So what that means is the muscle that's mostly responsible for straightening out in that last 10 degrees is called the VMO, or the vastus medialis obliquus. When that side of the quadricep is weak, sometimes the patella can track improperly out to the lateral side. And so my PT thinks I have some tracking issues, which is causing this pain. So we are really hitting those TKEs, or terminal knee extension exercises. I'm using my TENS unit set on the EMS mode, or the electrical muscle stimulation mode, and I'm cranking that thing up to fire the VMO as hard as I can stand it, and then I contract it too at the same time, which is helping me to try to build strength in the VMO. I've seen a little bit of improvement in the last 3-4 weeks, but especially since I've been using my TENS unit in the last few days. So a little bit less pain, a little bit better walking gait, and a little bit more strength. So I think I'm finally on the right track. I love to celebrate the small improvements in this knee replacement recovery, and this one is, it's quite a big one for me. This could get me on track to getting my knee better. So I just wanted to share that with you, everybody, and stay strong, knee warriors. Stay strong with whatever you're going through this knee replacement, and thank you all for following me. Thank you to my Lisa Bug participants for standing by and staying with my programming. I appreciate you all so much. I'll see you next time. Take care.